Green Raiders, then go on there. Hello, this is sharing a video on how to create a massive wave on the map mannequin. First of all, come to this spot over here, as you can see on the map, and basically jump upon this little edge here, run back and forward for 30 seconds to a minute. I prefer a minute. Remember to sprint as well. Only the person who is doing the glitch can see the humongous waves, not the person who hasn't done it. So if you want to see it, each console will have to do it by themselves. That's what it looks like on LSD. Me and Chris have linked both our videos together on how to do this glitch, so you can see a two-point perspective on how to do this glitch. The link will be in the description. Eventually it will wear down and then go back to normal size. And this is what it actually looks like on LSD. This isn't fake, you can actually do this for yourself on the matchmaking or the private server. And it's a very fun sensation to get lost because you're randomly standing there to other people and they're sitting around you. If you get lost, it's easy enough to look on the radar and you'll see where you are. Yep. Looks like you have a girlfriend. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. You got lag? I don't. I wanna be. How long was your video? Are you?